Hello friends, hope you have thrown yourself into the preparation for the SBI PU exam 2021. I also hope that you have started preparing for your strategy to crack the exam finally. Please keep watching the videos by me and by Shiv sir. Such videos will definitely suffice. Friend, in case you have any weakness, overcome the weakness. Friend, if you have any strength, please explore it. Friend, in case any challenge is there on the way to preparation, please make a way through it. Once you've done it, you can easily view the opportunity. But friend, don't jump start. Take a little pause. After exploring everything, make a concrete strategy as you have too little time amid the vast syllabus. Friend, in the objective papers, the marks of sincere candidates will not be having a large gap, but the marks in the descriptive English paper can prove to be a game changer. Never go after PDF materials only. You are required to keep studying and practicing on a specialized platform under the tutelage of experts who will keep guiding you what and how much are to be studied and practiced. Friend, never take any risk. In this video section, I am hitting upon the first and foremost point that you must not take for granted. It is the most probable essay topics. We feel pleased to tell you that the guest topics released by us hit to the bullseye. Friend, take down all the essay topics and frame answers on them. Pay a visit to www.bankquiz.com for details. Friend, we are happy to announce that you can take one mock with its quality evaluation absolutely for free. Visit the site. Please comment in case any doubts occur. Anyway, friend, let's get started. Friend, the first essay topic is a burning topic. Very recently, the concept of a bad bank has come into the limelight. The topic is role of bad bank in relieving PSU banks of bad debts. The second important essay topic is bank frauds and measures to prevent these. Whether privatization of banks is a boon or a bane is the third important topic. Then women empowerment seems important. Ethical problems of e-commerce is also important. Bank merger is necessary to make banks competent enough is the next essay topic. Women's security and our safety is also important. Over dependence on monsoon, role of uneducated people in the Indian economy. Is the generation gap a myth? Enslavement of man by technology. Those who saved more taxed more. Justify this. Benefits of mutual fund investments. The decreasing number of researches taken up by students is also important. Suggestions to alleviate the unemployment problem. The contribution of unskilled labor in the Indian economy also important. Future of banking industry. Pros and cons of allowing 19-year-old children to open accounts is also going to be important. Friend, the relevance of Swadeshi in the globalized world is also important. You should also make an answer on this. There is no permanent friend or enemy in politics. Give examples from Indian politics. Okay, friend, there are a few more highly important essay topics. Please visit www.bankquiz.com and start framing essays on all the recommended essay topics. We can help you. Just log in and ask doubts from experts. Wish you all the best. Thank you.